Welcome back to AB's Kitchen, and today guys we're making chicken and rice casserole. In this bowl I have 1 can of cream of mushroom and 1 can of cream of chicken. Just 1 can of each. I'm going to mix that in there together. And now we can start adding our chicken. And as much chicken as you like, guys. This was 3 chicken breasts that I had here. Okay, we're going to mix this up together here. Now I'm going to add my rice a little at a time because I did cook 2½ cups of rice. So I'm going to add it a little at a time. Alright, y'all. I'm adding 1 cup at a time of rice. Cooked rice, and I'm gonna add my cheddar cheese, but you can put sharp cheddar cheese. You put as much cheese and whatever type of cheese that you guys like in here. And Monterey with Colby. Also, I have in this little container here, I'm going to tell you what I have in here. I have a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of seasoned salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon pepper, and a 1/2 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. So what I'm going to do is take and I mixed it all together. I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of that and sprinkle it. Well, 1½ I should say. So that should be enough seasoning. It should be enough seasoning in our casserole here. Okay guys, I added off screen, I added 1/3 cup of milk. My oven is set at 350 degrees. we're gonna add in here over the top some Ritz crackers crumbs that are 1 sleeve of Ritz crackers crumbs. So we don't need the whole thing. Alright guys, I'm putting this in the oven and I'll be back. Okay guys, we are back, and this has been in the oven now for 35 minutes. Oh my. Nice and cheesy. Okay. This is the rice and chicken casserole. And I'm telling you guys, it looks like it is good. Look at that. That crust, that cheese, rice and chicken. Oh my. Okay, it's time for me to taste this for you guys. And here we go. You know I gotta get my napkin. All right. Y'all, this is so good. Oh my. You know when I take them glasses off? This is really good. So listen, this video, I know that you like it. So what I want you to do is smash that like button, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload, and also subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. Tell your auntie, your other auntie. I'm AB. Tell your other auntie. Tell your sister. Tell your brother. Tell them all to subscribe to AB's Kitchen. And guess what, guys? May you have peace and have a nice day.